Hey everybody, welcome to the Americana Motor Hotel, our final stop until Shannon and I reach our final destination of Las Vegas. This place has so much to offer, we can't wait to show it to you. And by the way, stick around to the end where we give you our final recap, what we thought about the Americana Motor Hotel.
The lobby at Americana was so cool. There were bikes you can rent, vibrant colors, seating to just relax with books and magazines, brochures you can check out on Flagstaff, souvenirs you can buy, refreshments, water, additional seating if you just want to relax more privately. Check-in was so simple. Let's get to the room. Hello, we just got checked in to our hotel in Flagstaff. We are at the Americana Motor Hotel, and I'm about to show you around. First, I have to show you this cool. Everything here is like space themed because stargazing is a big deal here, right? So you're gonna see that in this room. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna love the panel walls. They might be faux panel, regardless. It's awesome. Starting out, you have a big chair that you can cozy up in. One thing I wanna mention is that the room here, the room we have here is a mini, I think it's called. 130 square feet. So don't let that intimidate you. This room feels much more spacious than that, and it's perfectly cozy for two people. They have rooms of all sizes. So let's continue on with what we have here. We have a couple beautiful lamps here, and most importantly, we have a USB here and two plugs on this side. AC units here, but controls on the wall. And I know that because they tell you so. Carpeting is so cute. Nice big bed. I mean, I think it's a double. Again, perfect for two people, and really, really comfy. I'm not gonna lie, I already sat on it, so it's fantastic. I love this so much. Above the bed, we are all made of stars. Isn't that great? We have some more USB and plugs over here. Again, we all know how important it is. 4 USB, 4 plugs, and a mirror. You'll find quite a lot of mirrors in this little room. It's wonderful. Over here, I want to check out, before I check out the artwork with you, I'm going to show you, you also have a little bench here. So it's perfect for little things you might want to throw there, whatever, your bag, anything like that. Piece of art here, kind of retro art, people. And there is like a shoe thing here. I see lots of random shoe art. See here, see what I mean about the, here's a telescope. So again, big stargazing area. And Flagstaff is perfect for that. Cool panel walls, 43-inch LCD TV. You have a little desk here with a chair. Notepad and pen if you need that. And then over here, they even put a little card here that kind of tell you all about different events they have here every day of the week. So that's awesome. More artwork here. And I saw Willie. Here's another random shoe. I saw Willie up here when I first walked in. There he is. And while we're up there, can't miss the fabulous disco ball. Here's your climate control over here. Coming down, your cooler is a Playmate cooler. And they do have an ice machine here. And they give you a map that they show you the property, show you around the property through, via the map. So there's tons to do here, and you're gonna see videos on that. You have 2 ceramic coffee mugs, logoed, very cool. Oh, check this out. You do have a little fridge. When I say little, I mean it. Just a teeny weeny, maybe 1 or 2 bottles of water, beer, whatever you want to put in there. Not much room, but it's there. And then over here you have some drawer space for extra things. Since the room is smaller, you do have a safe. Not a common thing to find at a place like this, like right off the, on the roadside. You get a robe. You do just get 1 robe. So whoever needs it the most, I guess. And then, oh, there's me. Hi. And then over here, your towels and everything. Makeup remover. Here is your coffee pot, because there's the plug for it. If you're like me and you bring extra plugs, you could just move it over there to the table. and some lotion. They do kind of have higher end bath amenities here, which is really, really cool. Another mirror here, full size. Check yourself out there. What a cool artwork. Little bathroom, super functional. Beautiful glass shower, glass enclosed shower. Everything's pumped here on the wall. And I love this touch. Oh, you have a shelf, that's cool. But then here you have the red touches. I really, really, really like that. I think I think it's cool. Oh, and I forgot to show you, just because everything's kind of retro here, you do have retro cups for your beverages. I mean, I love that. And then there's a button here that says, push to get your groove on. Okay, I haven't pushed this yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you want to get your groove on, they've got you covered. Welcome to the Americana Motor Hotel, Flagstaff.
Okay, I just left my room and I'm walking across the parking lot here to check this out. Look at this. This is a cornhole setup right here. This is set up right here on artificial turf, and it's also got a bocce ball court right next to it. This is super cool right here, so that if you're by yourself, you can come out here and play. You can join up with people. I saw that happen earlier today. So this is a really good community place right here to play cornhole or bocce ball. And then as we move to our left, as you can see over here, they have a fire pit with chairs around it. You can come out here, like I said, if you're by yourself and join up with other people, or if you're a couple, you can come out here and have some good conversation with a lot of people. This is a great gathering place. They like to do that a lot here. And then as I walk over here, I'm gonna walk over to the pool here, which again is just right across the parking lot. All of this is right across the parking lot here. I'm gonna walk up here to the pool. I can hear some music playing. Take a look in here. Wow, this place is awesome. I mean, look at the mountains in the background. This is a great place here. This place has a good vibe. It's beautiful. And right across the way there, you'll see that they even have a pool bar where you can get some cocktails while you're hanging out here. So again, a good place to chill. So we're gonna walk out here. As you can see, there are the rooms right across the parking lot. So I'm gonna start to head down over here. And once again, you got another sitting area where people can gather. The Americana Motor Hotel is all about getting people together to have a good time, and they offer a lot of things here to do that, especially a lot of public areas like this. So this is a real super place to come chill and have a good time. And we cannot forget the hammocks right here. How cool is this? Just want to come out here, wind down, chill out on one of these hammocks right here. Again, it's right next to the pool, right across from the rooms. Really nice touch right here. Again, this whole place is all about relaxation. This is where you go to get some food here. You just walk down here from your room, as you can see Shannon's doing. Baja Mar. And it is open. What they have, and you can grab all this and take it back to your room.
Or sit outside in the courtyard.
Oh yeah, a lot of people do that. They head over there to the area and they can sit out there and have it, which we might do. So right now, we're gonna take a look at this and we're gonna order some food.
After dinner, we cruised over to the fire pit area to chill out a little bit before we called it a night. So we'll see you in the morning with a recap.
All right, the Americana Motor Hotel. What did you think?
I loved it.
Yes, I thought it was a great property. I mean, I thought there was so much to do here. in terms of the community areas where you can go outside and you can have some good conversation with other people. I mean, you got the cornhole, the artificial turf.
Which I played.
Which you played. I know you played.
I love
You got a
cornhole.
great pool. It's got a pool bar there, playing music. It's open till 9 at night, 8 a.m. to 9 at night, and it's heated, so it's open year-round. So that's really cool. What about the restaurant?
I loved it. Baja Mar. It's right here on site. Let me look here and just double check for you. But I believe it might be open 7 days a week. I think it also is open until 9 o'clock at night. Here it is. Oh, it's 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. So it's a Spanish seafood plus other things. They have burgers, fries. They have things for kids. They have a kids menu.
It was really
I'm
good.
going to tell you something. I got the shrimp tacos. The shrimp was huge.
I had the shrimp, not the shrimp quesadillas, chicken quesadillas.
Chicken quesadillas. We had beans. We had chips and salsa. It was really phenomenal, and it was so cool to leave the room and just walk right over here and walk up. They have a little seating area on the side. We ate out in the they call it the backyard,
which is really cool. There's a bunch of people out there, which as you saw in the video, they have a fire pit out there.
Yeah.
So people can gather around there. So there's definitely a lot of areas you can go. If you want to eat, you want to hang out, have a cocktail, talk with other people.
And and on that note, there is included in your stay or within the price of your stay is a $15 resort fee. That resort fee covers a ton of stuff. Again, I'm referring back to this. This is what they gave us when we checked in. There's a map of the property. Everything's really close together, but this shows you where you can find different. This is how we found Baja Mar, right? Using this little map. There is an ice machine while I'm on it. Right around the corner here. I know there's some confusion online whether or not they offer ice. They do. Here they give you this cool little brochure telling you about all of the things that they offer to do here at the hotel and what's included in that $15 resort fee. You get welcome beverages when you arrive, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and the choices are a bottle of water or a PBR.
PBR. So. At any rate, and the other cool thing here too that they offer is you can stargaze. So they do rent telescopes that you can use at nighttime to check out here because apparently this is a great area with the sky to do stuff like that. So that's
your
just
elevation
another thing you can
is
do.
what, 6,700?
Yeah, that's an amazing part.
Something like that. So you're higher up than you realize you are. And so you can go to the lobby and you can take out a telescope from the lobby. You can take it right to the backyard. And you can stargaze there if that's an activity that you enjoy.
Yeah.
I think you can also get bikes.
Yeah, they have bikes. I showed
Yeah,
that
you can
up
also
front.
get bikes. So you go up front, they're right up there. We have some footage of that. And you can just,
So
there's
again,
tons of people riding by on bikes all day long. There's a lot of stuff really close by.
There's plenty of stuff to do here, especially if you're stopping in. For an overnight thing, I don't know if you get to use all those things if you're just traveling. This is kind of like a layover like it was for us. But you can see the potential here if you're going to spend multiple days here. There's just so much to do here. Now, get to the room.
Yeah. So the bed, comfortable.
Awesome.
Again, we had a mini room. So we got one double bed. Perfect for two people though. Any more than that, obviously you're going to need something bigger. I thought it was super comfortable. Four pillows. That was great. The pillows were great. It's nice and cool. So the AC works great in here. That's important, especially
It's
in
got
the
really
summer.
good aesthetics, but I mean, let's be real, let's be honest. If you're going to be here for multiple days, this for me is just a little bit too small. I would probably get a larger room. Again, if you're just coming in, staying overnight, it'll do the job. I mean, it's super clean, super nice. But if you're going to be longer, to me, it was just a little bit too small, a little too crowded.
Yeah.
If you're going to be here multiple days and you're going to have a lot of suitcases. And besides the fact that the room was very comfortable, there was a couple of things that were a little weird.
First and foremost, though, it was very clean. Very clean. I didn't find anything gross in the room. But there were some
couple drawbacks.
Couple drawbacks, a couple things that were missing.
Yes, in the shower they were missing. They have those dispensing shampoos, conditioners, and body soap. 2 of the 3 of them were out, which is not a big deal for us because we bring our own stuff anyway. But if you're here and you don't have that stuff, you're going to be shocked when you're in there taking a shower and you don't have that. And then the only other thing is there was only a quarter of a roll of toilet paper in there. There wasn't a backup toilet paper, which can be inconvenient too. But again,
I don't care who you are. That's not going to work.
That's not going to work out. But outside of that, I mean, the people that work here are so nice. The grounds were beautiful. They were well kept. And we certainly felt safe here, which is really important when you're traveling on the road and you've got a lot of your valuables with you. You want to be in a place that's safe. And the other thing, too, is this is a walk-up place. We're on the first floor. I'm looking out the window right now. I can see the car right there, which is great. But you do want to make sure you're in a safe place when you have all your stuff with you, because there is going to be some stuff you can't bring in. So in that case...
Yeah, and on that note, stay tuned, because a little bit down the road, we're going to have a video on safety, room safety, particularly when you're in a walk-up, but for anywhere, some different things that we bring with us. And we have a really great story to tell. It's really interesting, so you're going to want to keep your eye out for that video.
So final thing is, if you're running through Flagstaff, Arizona, this is a great place to stay. The price point, a little high, I mean, for the room.
Higher than most, but again, that encapsulates everything you have here at this property. There's so much to do. Most are in and out type places. This is a place you could hang out for a little while.
Definitely.
And never run out of things to do.
So
worth it.
Worth it. I would recommend it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Destination, Las Vegas.